So hello everyone, welcome back to Magic. So in this video you will learn square of any number right from 2 digit to 3 digit only in 10 seconds. Only have to follow these two steps. So before that you should know the square of at least 1 to 10 number. That is 1 square is 1, 2 square 4, 3 square 9, 4 square 16, 5 square 25, 6 square 36, 7 square 49, 8 square 64, 9 square 81, 10 square 100. So likewise, so for instance take some example. First example as 46 square, second example as 72. You can take any example. In third example 95. So for instance we have taken these three examples. So let's see. In first step I have to take the square of 6 square. First take the square of 6 square, 36. Next 4 square, which is equal to 16. You have to write this. And step 2, in step 2, so in step 2 you have to multiply this 4, this 6 and this. You have to multiply these 3 digits, 4 into 6 into 2. So now multiply 6 4 24, 24 times 2 is 48. So add 48 to this number, and you have to leave the unit digit. So add 48 like this. Okay, add 6 as it is, 3 plus 8 11, 1 carry and 1 here, 6 plus 4 plus 1 5, 11, 1 carry and 2. So the square of 46 is 2116. Now similarly find here 2 square is 4, so 0 4, 7 square is 49. Now you have to multiply this 3 digit, 7 2s are 14, 14 times 2 is 28. So 28 add here. Now 4, 8, 11, 1 carry and 5. So the square of 72 is 5184. Similarly 95, 5 square 25, 9 square 81. Now 5 2s are 10, 10 9s are 90. So 90 add here. So 5, 2, 10, 1 carry and 9. So only in 5 seconds you can find this. If you practice more, you will get in very fast method. So now if the digit end with 5, unit digit end with 5, then there is another trick, that is you have to follow like this. 95 square can be written as first you have to write the 5 square 25. Now you have to multiply 9 into the next number of 9, that is 9 into 10. 9 10s are 90, so 90 put it here. So this is the another method. So for 65 square can be written as 5 square 25. Now 6 7s are 42. So if the digit end with 5, you have to follow this method also. So this is the square of any 2-digit numbers. Now next learn about square of any 3-digit number. So for instance take an example of 272 whole square. So you can take any example. So you have to follow these 2 steps to find. So in step 1, first of all you should have to perfect for 2-digit number. So this 3-digit number divided into 2 parts. So this first and this 2. Okay, now find 2 square, that is 0 4, and 27 square. You know how to find 27 square, right? Shown before. 27 square is 7 square is 49, 2 square is 0 4. Now I have to multiply these 3 numbers. 2 7 is 14, 14 times 2 is 28. So 28 add here, and you have to leave the unit digit. Add 9, 4 plus 8 12, 1 carry and this one is 7. So 7 29 and 0 4. So 7 29 and 0 4. Now in step 2, you have to multiply 27 times 2 times this 2. So 27 into 2 into 2. 2 times 2 is 4. Now 4 times 27. 4 7 is 28. 8 2 carry and 2 4 is 8. 8 plus 2 is 10. Now 108 I have to add here this number. 108 8 1. Now add 4 8 9 3 and 7. So the square of 272 square is 73984. So this is how we calculate the square of any 3-digit number. So this look very long, but if you practice more you will get a very easy. So let's take another example. 875 square. Now same step you have to follow. So in step 1 you have to find the 5 square first. 5 square 25. Now 87 whole square. 87 square you have to find 7 square 49, 8 square is 64. Now 8 times 7 times 2. So 8 7 is 56. 56 times 2 is 112. So 112. So 9 6 5 7. So 7 5 6 9 9, this 2 5. Now in step 2, same step you have to follow. Step 2, you have to multiply 87 times 5 times 2. So 87 times 5 times 2. Now 5 2s are 10. 10 times 87 is 870. So add 0 7 8. So add 5 2 16 1 carry, and 14 15 1 carry, 6 and 7. So the square of 875 is 765 625. So this is how we calculate the square of any 2D number. So practice more, you will get a very easy. You can find only in 5 seconds. So